So we're in Clovis, California, getting ready to flush this water heater, Tankless Renai R75. Actually, we're already started, about 45 minutes left. And the water heater should be flushed annually. If you're interested in doing this yourself, give me a holler. I'll walk you through the steps to do it. Save a little bit of money. Or I can come out and do it for you every year. It doesn't matter. All you need is a 5-gallon bucket, 3 gallons of distilled white vinegar, a submersible pump. I like the Superior 1/3 horsepower pump. You get it from Amazon for about 60 bucks. If you're interested, just text me. I'll send you a link to it. And then a pair of washer hoses. Same kind of hoses used on your washing machine inside for your clothes. I like to go with the red and the blue. That way I just hook up and I know where it goes. Blue is cold, red is hot. So the pump is actually drawing the vinegar out of the bucket, sending it up through the cold side, through the heat exchanger, back out the hot side, and dumping out here in the bucket. So you can see right now, that's what it's doing. And so it's just that this vinegar's cleaning out the scale in the heat exchanger. So any bucket will do, 5-gallon, 3 gallons distilled white vinegar, pump, hoses. First thing you would do is come out here, and I can send you a video as well of how this works, but honestly it's pretty easy. Shut the power off right here. Shut the gas off right here, and you can see it's perpendicular right now. If you were to spin it, you can see it says on right here. Spin it so it's in line with the valve. That means the gas is on. So gas is off, power is off, and then they've got a separate shut-off valve for the cold. One's over here on the side. You can see it right there, right down here. That's the cold shut-off valve to the water heater. And then here is the hot water valve that lets the hot water go into the home after it comes out of the unit. So in normal position, the valves on the side are pointing straight up and down. That means that the water is going in and out. So to get started, you shut them off. Perpendicular, it's 90 degrees to the valve. So the pipe is straight up and down. You want to turn the valves to where they're at a 90-degree angle or perpendicular to the valve. So you can see the cold and the hot are shut off. Then you come out here, you can see this valve, cold, hot, the ones on the top, normally those are at a right angle or perpendicular. So the valve is coming straight out, and normally these valves are closed, which is perpendicular. Okay, so all you do is you open these up. They're a little fusty because you got so much wiring going on around here, but open up the hot, open up the cold. So what it's doing is the valves on the side, the one down here and the one over here, they're keeping the vinegar from going back into the cold water system here and into the home, and it isolates it. What these two do is these open up, go up, the cold goes up into the heat exchanger, it comes back out and down through here through the hose, back down to the bucket. So pretty easy. I mean, if you were here and we walked it through you one time, you'd be a pro. Not a problem. Like I say, we can come out and do it for you. But if you're interested in that, let us know and we can walk you through it. You can watch a video. We can send you a link to a video, whatever you'd like to do. We're going to let this run for a little bit longer. My clock's not in front of me right now, but we probably have about a half an hour or so to go. Then we'll wrap it up. We did some work inside, got a separate video for that. Outside of that, this water heater flush is done.